So as you can see here, this person over here has ordered in queue and they are charging on an average this amount for social media template posts. So they are making a lot of money from rendering these services. So in this Canva tutorial for beginners, I am going to show you how you can use Canva to make money online absolutely for free. I am going to walk you through this step by step and show you bonus strategies that you can get started with today to make money on Canva. So this is Manoj Rane and welcome to the channel where I make videos on tips and tricks and the best ways on how to make money online. Be sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever new video is up. Now let's get started. Today I am going to show you how to make money with Canva. But before I get into Canva and give you a full Canva tutorial, what I would like you to do is come over to fiverr.com and I am going to show you these simple gigs that anybody can do. So all you want to do is come up and type in Canva in the search box over here. Once you type in Canva, click on to search and it's going to bring you over to the page that looks something like this. When you scroll down here, what you are going to find is all these different people that have gigs on Fiverr that are creating content using Canva. You can do the exact same thing absolutely for free, and I am going to show you the free tutorial on this video. So when you come over here, you can see that people are typing in things like I will design anything in Canva, I will design Canva Instagram post templates. So if you open this one over here and if you open this one over here as well, this gig over here, one says that it costs this much and the other one is little bit more expensive. So if you come over and we go to the first gig that we open up, you can see that this person says I will create a Canva Instagram template for a beautiful feed. As you can see here, this person has order in queue at the moment. Now we all know that not everybody leaves a review, and this person has a lot of reviews already on their gig over here. If you have a look over here, you will see the basic cost, standard cost and premium cost. So your earnings will depend on what package your customer will get. You came over here and you can actually see exactly what type of post they are putting up. You are going to see a lot of these different codes, and I'm going to show you on this video exactly where you can get these codes absolutely for free. All these templates that I'm going to show you are free to design from Canva. You can always scroll down here to see what platform they are providing their services to. If you come over here and click on this gig over here, this is a person that's making money with Canva. You can see that he is offering this kind of services. And on the side you can see the cost for his services. You can see that they have this number of orders in queue, and he also has a lot of reviews. So you can see that this person is also doing really well. If you come over here, you can also see what type of different designs they are creating. You can see a lot of these people are doing this different type of codes. So if you come over to Canva, now there is a pro version of Canva as well, but you can start doing this absolutely for free. I use the pro version for Canva, but you can use this for absolutely free. And as you can see, this first row over here says your design. These are all my designs that I'm actually putting up at the moment. I'll show you them throughout the video, and I'm also going to show you exactly how I'm doing this. And I want to give you a free tutorial. So let's say if somebody wanted you to create something for them on Instagram, you can come over here, and as you can see in this top row, you have got presentation, logo, Instagram post and videos, posters, flyers, cards and etc. If somebody wants something for Pinterest, you just need to type in Pinterest up top here. And if somebody wanted an Instagram post, all you need to do is come over here and click on Instagram. Once you click onto Instagram, you are going to see this blank canvas that's going to come up over here. Now you can see you have got all these different tabs over here, an option to help you create these different types of posts. Now I want you to show very quickly this Canva tutorial for beginners so you can see how quickly this can be done. Now when you come over here, you have got this template, and let's say somebody has a dog training company and they are into pets on Instagram and they want you to make some post about pets. Then what you can do is type in dogs over here, and you are going to find all these different templates that you can use. So you can use any of these templates that are ready made for you, or you can start from a blank canvas. What you can do is you can come over here to photos, and once you come to photos, you can easily just type in dogs again, and it's going to show you all these different photos that you can use. What you want to do is just find a photo that you would like to use, or you think that stands out. For example, this one. So let's just grab this and drag it in. And now I'm going to show you exactly how we are going to turn this into a pretty cool Instagram post that you can use and you can start making money from. So once you have got this image over here, what you want to do is you want to come over here to text, and you can see here that you have got all these different fonts that you can use. So all you need to do is choose a font and click it. So it's automatically going to bring up that up over here, and then all you need to do is just change the text whatever you want, and then you can stretch it out and fit it on the space that you have for the text. The other thing that you can do is you can come over here and you can just tap the font size. Down you can change the font, and you can also change the different color if you want to. Now the other thing you want to do is add another text, because you maybe want to add a website or something else that they want. For this example, let's add a website by deleting this template text and add our website like www.dogtraining.com. So what's really cool with Canva, you can put this background over here. So if you come over to the elements over here, once you click onto elements, all you need to do is choose one of this background over here. So let's say we click onto that, and then all you need to do is fit it in the text and place it behind it. So as you can see, it didn't take up that long to create a simple Canva graphic design. Now to add a second graphic design, all you need to do is come over here and click onto add pages. So once you click onto that, you can come over here and create your second one, your third one, your fourth one, depending on how many of these you need to create and depending on the order that you have. Now from here, you have come over here and created a gig. You have started to get these orders and you have started to executing these orders. Now as we saw when you are looking through Fiverr over here, and we are looking at a lot of different posts that these people were making. They had all these awesome looking codes. Now if you come over to the site called brainycode.com, this is where you can get the inspiration for all these different codes that you can start to use with Canva. Let's say you come over to the popular topic like motivational. For example, if you click onto that, it's going to give you all these different motivational quotes that you can simply put inside the different type of designs that you are creating on Canva. Now Canva is really very useful for making all these good looking posts. So that was my tutorial for beginners. I hope it's going to help you to make money with Canva, and I do hope that you did get some value from this video. And if you think you like this video, please make sure go ahead and smash that like button right now. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the most easiest way to make money online, make sure to click on the first link down below in the video description. And that's brings me to the end of this video. I will see you in the next video.